Let's continue with the make 10 subtraction rule. Do you remember? When subtraction is hard, take 10 away and add the friend number. For 3, take 10, add 7. For 2, take 10, add 8. For 1, take 10, add 9. Now let's practice together. 7 plus 4 minus 3 minus 5 plus 6. Set 7, 5, 6, 7 plus 4, 4, 4. Take 6, add 10, minus 3, 4 minus 3, take 10, add 7, minus 5 and plus 6. Answer is 9. Next, 5 plus 5 minus 2 plus 1 plus 8. Set 5 plus 5 for 5. Take 5, add 10, minus 2, for minus 2, take 10, add 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 1, plus 8, for 8, take 2, add 10. Answer is 17. Next, 10 minus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2. Set 10. For minus 1, take 10, add 9, plus 6. For 6, take 4, add 10, plus 1, plus 2, 1, 2. So answer is 18. See how easy that was. Now it's your turn. 8 plus 7 plus 5 minus 3 plus 1. Write your answer in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.